Hi, good morning, everybody. My name is Carol Lill. I'm one of the business teachers and DECA advisors over here at Westchester East High School. I want to share some of our course selection information with you today to hopefully answer some of your questions. If you are brand new to the business program and kind of looking into the DECA program to see if it's a good fit for you, and also for those of you that have already been in the business program to share some of the upcoming classes that might be a good fit for you. So when we get started, a lot of times there are questions about what DECA is, how does it work at East High School, we're talking about business classes, and how do all of those different pieces fit together. So DECA is an international organization for emerging leaders in the field of marketing, finance, hospitality, and management. It's actually been at East since the doors opened at East in 1973. So one of the things we're really proud of is our tradition of having a really strong chapter within East High School. DECA is a co-curricular organization, which means that when a student is in a business class, they have the opportunity to get involved in DECA, but they do not have to get involved in DECA. What it also means is that the curriculum that is taught in the business class is directly related to the competition performance indicators within the DECA program. So for East High School DECA, we are the largest organization in all of East High School. This year we have 243 members. We focus on community service, leadership, academic success, and also competition, which I think probably is a student's most favorite thing. And then this year, to give you a little snippet of how successful our program is, we have a state conference coming up in Hershey, Pennsylvania. This year, we're taking 146 students to that state competition. Beyond that is an international competition. Last year, we had 26 students attend that international competition. Last year in Atlanta, Georgia. This year, it actually will be in Orlando, Florida. So to move on just a little bit more, as we shared very quickly, DECA is all about helping your child to become academically prepared, also giving back to the community by being community oriented, being professionally responsible, and learning those young professional skills such as handshakes, LinkedIn profiles, resumes, and how to handle themselves in a business trip conference situation, and also experienced leaders. We offer several different leadership positions, not only within East High School DECA, but students also have an opportunity to become a leader within state DECA and even the international level if they would choose to do so. So here are some of these stats. In 2022, 29 students qualified to attend that international competition in Atlanta. This year, as we said, the international competition will be in Orlando, and the following year will be in Anaheim, California. We have a couple things that we're incredibly excited about. Not only do we have a really strong East High School DECA officer team, but we have had this year, junior Alex Chen has been elected to be one of the Pennsylvania State DECA representatives. And we also have a sophomore, Caroline Finnan, that is running for a state officer position at our upcoming conference in just a few weeks, that hopefully she'll win and be able to hold that office next year. So as we share just a little bit more, if your child would like to get involved with DECA, they have to be in one business class for the school year. Now that one class, we have several different options. We have full year classes. We also have live semester options. And then we now have a significant amount of cyber classes or online classes, whichever verbiage works best for you. Some of those are full year and some of those are semester. So we have several different opportunities to fit students' schedules no matter what they have going on. When we talk about how DECA could actually help you reach your goals, we offer Viking Block and after-school study sessions. We also run the school store at East. The student pictured on the right-hand side, Jimmy Helferty, is a sophomore, and he currently is our vice president running the school store. We have opportunities within leadership conferences. We also attend Phillies, Sixers, and we've done other field trips as well. We have interactive class projects based on PBL, which is project-based learning. We also have partnerships with the Westchester Food Cupboard and several different local organizations where our students can give back and help out. And lastly, we also are a member of the National Business Honor Society, which is an accolade that if your child meets the requirements, they would also be able to have on their transcript. And then finally, wear an NBHS cord at their graduation ceremony. When we talk about all of our different classes, you're going to see a list here that is pretty robust. And then we'll also talk a little bit later about what grade your child is in and what might be the best fit for them moving forward. So if you have a child that is currently an 8th grader, what we recommend for them is the full year Introduction to Business class, which is open to 9th and 10th graders. It's a really great class to get started. It's going to give them the foundations in all of the different areas. Beyond that, we also have some semester electives. So we have sports and entertainment marketing, personal finance, social media marketing, international business, as well as different online options that might fit their schedule too. If you have a student that is currently a 9th grader, a full year recommendation for them is going to be our marketing honors class, which is open to students in grades 10 through 12. We also offer Accounting 1, and then we do have some semester classes and online options as well. Our semester classes, again, are sports and entertainment marketing, social media marketing, international business, and also personal finance. If you currently have a sophomore, again, we're going to touch on the marketing class because that's open to 10 through 12. A lot of times there are questions. Do our classes have to be taken in a specific order? And they do not. We're not like a foreign language. Students are able to jump in and out when they would like to see it. We also do offer the Accounting 1, Project Management and Leadership, which was new this past year. And then we're back at our semester electives again, which are the sports and entertainment marketing, social media marketing, personal finance, as well as international business. If you are currently an 11th grader, we've got again the full year options of marketing honors, Accounting 1 and Accounting 2, but Accounting 2 does have the prerequisite of Accounting 1, Project Management and Leadership, and now we have Entrepreneurship Honors, which is a full year class only for seniors. And again, we have our semester electives of sports and entertainment, social media marketing, personal finance, international business, and also our cyber options. In taking a look at some of these different things, when you fill out your course selection, it's always a really good chance, if you're sure you want to take a business class, to be able to sign up for more than one. Not so much that you would want to take more than one, but we do sometimes have classes that don't run. And if you have a secondary option, your guidance counselor is able to see that you would like to be in a business class and they can work with your schedule like that. Also, just a quick reminder for you to become a member of the National Business Honor Society and to maintain active status, you must be in a business class. So if you have an interest as a senior in wearing your National Business Honor Society cord, you would have to be in a business class in your senior year to be able to take advantage of that. We're going to jump on down and take a look at this chart because that could be something that works a little bit better for the way some of your brains work. When you take a look at this, we really like this chart, and it's going to lay out for you our grades and also the timeline for these different classes. If you have been a DECA member, we hope you've had a great experience in our classes. And then if you're just checking it out, give it a shot. Come on and give it a try, and we'll see if we can help you out. Thank you so much for your time. Pardon me. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to reach out to myself, Mr. Connor, or Mr. Halloran. We're the 3 business teachers, and you can also find us in the school email, and the kids can also find us during the day in school if they have any questions. Have a great day. Thanks for your time.